The Schedule tool is used to create a task step that triggers a task to run based on specific times and dates. In this video, we will look at Schedule tool features such as runtime and date scheduling and time zones. We will also look at global and task level design options that allow us to run tasks on specific days, avoiding planned maintenance times, and accommodating national holidays. To begin, let's look at the Schedule tool at task level. We will open our example task. In the Design tab, Browser, Event Tools, we will drag in a Schedule tool at the start of our task. In the General tab, you can give this step a name and description. The Main tab provides a comprehensive set of options for configuring the scheduled runtimes. In the first drop-down, we can select the time zone. You can set the task to run using a different time zone, regardless of the time zone of the BPA platform machine. In the Schedule section, there is a range of radio buttons to choose the run frequency. The Once Only option runs the task once at the specified run date and time. Then it will revert to a manually run task. The last runtime of this task displays here. In the next option, we have minutes. Once selected, we have the option to enter a value. Following this, we have schedule by hours, days, and weeks. The weeks option allows you to select the task to run only on certain days at a set time. In the months option, we can select which specific months for the task to run, including the date and time of day. Lastly, we have continuously. The continuous option should be used with care due to its resource requirements. Consider using the Trigger tool in your task design if continuous operation is required. For this example, we will select minutes and set it to run every 30 minutes. And we will edit the start date time. Click OK to close this step. We will then click and drag to connect this step to the other steps. Now we can save and close this task. To access the advanced scheduling options, we need to navigate to the global settings. In the main BPA platform window, click the Settings button and click the Runtimes and Maintenance tab. These tabs are related to the scheduling options. Similar tabs can be accessed at the task design level. However, maintenance times can't be adjusted on a single task. We will look at this later. This tab is used to specify the time of day and days of the week when the tasks should run, with the option to select or deselect a date and time for planned maintenance. Each time block represents 30 minutes. Each day has 48 blocks. Green blocks indicate allowed task runtime, with white blocks indicating the times when the tasks cannot run. On the left, clicking the Days of the Week button, we can clear all the nominated runtimes or select all per day. The top row of the grid can be used to select the same 30-minute time blocks for every day. To set the maintenance periods, click the Schedule Maintenance Radio button, then click the desired times in the grid, which will be marked with a tool icon. Blocks containing a tool icon indicate when maintenance is scheduled to run on the BPA platform server. Tasks do not run during maintenance periods. The Force Maintenance Initialization Timeout checkbox enables you to set an appropriate timeout using these buttons and drop-down. We will then reselect Schedule Runtimes. We also have the option to clear all or select all. Moving on to the National Holidays tab, BPA Platform supports national holidays for Canada, England and Wales, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and the USA. You can, however, create your own as required. Use the Import button to load a supplied national holiday, select the desired region, and click OK. Once your local national holiday calendar has been imported, you can use the Add, Edit, and Remove buttons to adjust additional dates where required. Let's click Add, select a date, and enter the name of the additional excluded date, and click OK. Then click OK to close this window. The advanced scheduling options can also be accessed at task level. Let's open the example task, and in the General tab, select Options. In the Runtimes tab, we have the same advanced scheduling options for this task. In the National Holidays tab, we need to select the calendar we imported earlier to enable it for this task. We can configure this at task level in a similar way to the method we showed previously, except the maintenance settings that are made at the global level. Also, global settings overrule task level configurations. And that's it for this video. Call us for further information or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.